Hello watcher and subscribers. Today we focus on important concept in Excel tutorial, and our concept is that suppose we have the database, and in our database we have first name, middle name and last name, but we want in a full name format, means in particular columns our values will be like Sanjay, Vishal, Sarode, Vijay, Ram, Shende, Manoj, Ram, Shilki, like that. We want that data in a single column format, we want in a full name format. Sometime we get a reverse case, we already full name but we want it in a separate format like first name, middle name and last name. And if you do it manually, it will definitely take a long time. Okay, so for saving your time, you have to use formulas, functions in your Excel sheet. So what will be that function, that we will see in this tutorial. So here in the first case we have two cases here. So in first case we have the first name, middle name, last name. We want it in the full name format. So here you will take the help of concatenate function. So in that concatenate function, you have to specify the first, middle and last name address. So our first value is Sanjay. Once I click there, address will be there, that is A2. Then I want here comma, I will give double quote and give the space, then closing. So what happen after the Sanjay, space will come, then again I will give comma. I want Vishal, so I will simply click there, then I will give comma, double quote, space, closing double quote, and here again I will give comma. Last one is Sarode, so I will click there, again I will use comma, then here double quote, space, closing double quote, closing bracket, and lastly enter. So you see here Sanjay, Vishal, Sarode is coming. Now I just drag down this, so you see other entries are also coming. So it took hardly 1 minute and we got the result. So if your database having more number of records, more number of row, then it is very useful for you. Now here we have the reverse case, full name we want in a first name, middle name and last name format. In such a case there is no need to use any formula. You have to select the value whichever you want. Okay, then I will go in the data tab. In the data you have to select text to column, because our data in a text format, we want in a separate column format, like first column for first name, second column for middle name, last column for last name. So we will click on text to column. Here you are not supposed to do anything. Here the first one is by default, it is saying characters such as comma, tabs, each field. So you select this and click on the new. Here automatically here it is in column format, so here you select whichever you want. I am selecting tab, comma, space. So according to that your values will be separated. Got it? So this step is very important. Mostly for separating values we use space or comma sometime. Click on the next, and here it is asking destination, so you click on that cell and you select the first address. I am selecting this first address from first name to last name, and it will come here. Got it? Then other values will be automatically shifted. Click on finish here. So here you see Sanjay, Vishal, Sarode, Vijay, Ram, Shende, Manoj, Ram, Shilke. These values are automatically coming here. Why it is coming? Because we have specified that address. Okay, once we have specified that address, other values will be automatically shifted here. So in this way within 1 minute we got the result, and it is very useful for you if you are handling the data. If you are doing manually, it is not practically true and it will take you a lot of time also, and you have to spend lot of effort also. So I hope, dear student, this tutorial is very useful for you, and if it is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.